An upper Shariah court in Kano has sentenced Shafiu Abubakar to death by hanging for setting a mosque on fire during early morning prayers in Gadan Village in Gezawa local government area of the state. Now, the incident, which occurred on May 15, 2024, claimed the lives of 23 persons. 11 worshippers died on the spot, while the 12 others later succumbed to their severe burns at the Murtala Muhammed Specialist Hospital. The court found Abubakar guilty of deliberately causing the tragedy, which prosecutors linked to a domestic dispute rather than a terrorism activity or political motivated activity. Ahmad Datti sent in this report from Kano.
The judge, Halhalatul Huzai Zakaria, found the mosque Arsonist guilty of all the 4-count charge of culpable homicide, attempt to commit homicide, causing grievous injury, and mischief by fire, contrary to the provisions of Section 143, 148, and 370 of the Sharia Legal Code of Kano State 2000. The court also ordered 150 lashes and a fine of 1,500 naira against the convict, who will forfeit his tricycle to the Kano State government, the proceeds of which should be used to repair the damaged mosque. The prosecution presented 7 witnesses, including Ablaze, the village head of Gadan, and ASP Abdullahi Sajo Adamawa, a police officer attached to the Gezawa police station. The court, however, discountenanced the testimonies of 5 witnesses.
We are very much satisfied with the judgment of this honorable court, Upper Sharia Court Region Zaki, because at least we have paraded 4 reliable witnesses, out of which court accepted 2 witnesses, and under Islamic law, the minimum requirement or the minimum witnesses to at least to confirm the guilt of the accused person, where he is or he was charged with the offense of culpable homicide, are 2, and at least we have 2. Apart from other documentary evidences which we have tendered, and they are all admitted in evidence. So at least we are very much satisfied, even though we have our own reservation with regard to some other witnesses. But at least we are very, very much okay with the judgment of the court, because at least the highest punishment is for the accused person to be sentenced to death, and the court sentenced him to death by hanging.
Counsel for the convict pleaded with the court to transfer him to the Kurmawa Correctional Facility.
The reason he doesn't want to stay at that prison is that he has spent a long time there, close to 1 year, so he just wants a change. There is no problem, it's just that there are less inmates in the prison he requested.
The judge, relying on Section 395, subsection 2b of the Administration of Criminal Justice Law of Kano State 2019, and other authorities in the Maliki School of Law, says the sentence should serve as justice to the victims of the crime. Ahmad Datti, Trust TV News, Kano.